Hello and welcome at Stocks Advisor. Today we will talk about SQ position. We finished at 51.25 and the question is what to expect next. Are we already prepared for bounce back or it's still too early? Well, the quick answer is it's still too early, but it's almost there, very close to a very nice rebound. Let's analyze one and where we can expect it. So first of all, what is important here, we can observe that after touching the moving average 20, its green line, the price action at around the 23rd of September, we started further descent, so it worked as a strong resist. And we had here a few days ago another false breakthrough, so it was declined again. So we are declining in price. Let's draw it in yellow. We're declining in price, and there are many indicators saying that it's still on descent, but soon it will be going up. So first of all, why it's still on descent? We see start of MACD negative wave. This is very important parameter here. It could be false as well, but it still might take a couple of days, so we need to form a wave and then it will be going up, and that would be really indication of reverse. Of another parameters, I think the most important here is stochastic RSI. It made a false breakthrough. The distance between K and D waves is increasing, which is a good sign, and most probably we will need to wait before going to the almost 1-2 level of K and then rebounds. So here it's a clear formation of peak after the block. What I mean here is situation like, for example, we observed one in December. So here is a block, then you have a peak and then bounce. That's exactly, if you look in the price, you have a block, decline, peak, decline, and then bounce one, bounce two. So on those areas where it touches almost zero, you can place a bounce. Similar situation, we have a block, and then it was a very long waiting period. Usually it's indication for preparation. Then the first wave is a false one, then the second should be positive. It's a classical scenario here. And of other parameters which indicate that it's preparing for very strong rebounds is the fact the distance between price and moving average 20, the green line is increasing here, and the distance between, of course, moving average 200, red line, and the price is also very high. It's 68 versus 51.25. So we are really preparing here for rebounds, but it's still too early. If you would speak of when we can enter the position, let's a little bit scale down. We need to see this is actually the line that will work as a very strong support. We might slightly pierce it, but anywhere in vicinity of this would be good to buy. If you look of other levels, you can clearly see it's here. Well, we are already touching it, so it worked today as support. So everything below this area, this triangle, would be the first buying option. Very strong. Most probably will go all the way to 44. I will start buying at 45 and below, and then just waiting for rebounds. That's it for SQ. A very nice stock, very nice position to watch. Should be ready, I think, by the end of the week, and from next week we will see most probably from technical point of view a very nice upwards move here. And speaking what would be the levels to which we can go, well, the very first level, of course, will be the level of moving average 20, which is the green line. If we will pierce it, then we might go even higher. So what we will be observing here is something like this, maybe some bounce at the green line, and then should be going higher. Very nice place, area to buy in few days, so closely watching this one. Thank you for watching, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor.